Welcome to my channel where it's all about crypto. And in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to buy the controversial Pornrocket token. All right, so first what we'll do is buy USDT, hit wallet, hit trade, buy USDT. I'm gonna do $100. Preview buy. It's gonna cost us $2.99. Okay, so we're gonna buy. Your order was submitted. View account. Okay, so if you look at the top, we have 96.52. So now we're finna send our USDT from COINBASE over to BITURE. It is a transaction fee, so we're gonna use $90 for this example. Hit continue. It's asking for the address. So we're gonna go back over to BITURE, copy the address. We're gonna paste the address. Preview send. And send. Go to Google Authenticator. 033899. Hit submit. There we go. Successfully sent. Transaction should usually take less than 10 minutes. Hit done. Okay, so our USDT has been successfully sent from COINBASE to BITURE. So let's go over to BITURE. And as you can see, USDT, $97.31. I already had like $7 of a USDT sitting there. So let's change our USDT for BNB. Okay, so go to home. And then we'll hit up top where it says please enter keywords. We'll put in BNB. Second one is BNB USDT. Let's do that. Hit buy. Where it says total USDT, that's where you're gonna put in the amount. So let's try to buy $97 worth of BNB. If you look to the right also, where it says price amount in red, that shows you the loss amounts of BNB that you can buy. So if it's not the same as the amount that you see, so for instance, mine says 353. It's one down here for 351. We're gonna switch that out and put that one on there and hit buy. Successful. It went through. So now that we purchased that, always make sure if you're on BITURE to look to the right and make sure it's the loss amount. Because normally it will be at the top. It normally will be the loss, but just in case, always look to the right to be sure. Get it at the loss amount. Okay, so it took a minute, but it's finally here. As you can see, BNB 91.33. So now we're gonna send our BNB over to our trust wallet. Hit BNB. Withdraw. Now we need to go over to our trust wallet. BNB. We want to receive. So copy the QR code. Copy. Now we want to paste. Hit withdraw. there's not a tag. It requires no tag. No memo tag required, so we don't need a tag. Nope. We're all good there. There's a fee down at the bottom. Looks like 1 BNB minimum. Okay. Well, minimum 2 actually, so let's hit withdraw. Okay, memo. Sorry about that. No memo. Now hit withdraw. So we copied our QR code. There is no memo. We selected no memo. Our quantity is 0.26. Let's hit withdraw. Now I have to enter my PIN number. Okay, gotta go back and get the email code. So after you enter your PIN code, hit send. It's going to send you an email code, then put in your Google Authenticator code. So from there, as you can see, your withdrawal has been submitted, 0.26. Let's go over it back to the Trust Wallet. Go back. And there it is, BNB 0.26. So now what we're going to do is we're going to trade our BNB for Smart Chain. Hit BNB, more. Right down at the bottom says swap to Smart Chain. Let's see here, 100%. Swap. Networking fee, so we're going to have to go back. Let's go back, because it is a fee for $1.43. So let's go back and change this 0.25. And let's hit swap and confirm. Processing. It may take a few minutes. Get more details. Looks like it went through. Says success right there. So let's go back. Go all the way back. And there it is, 0.25. So, okay. Our next step is let's buy a little bit of this Pornrocket. So what we need to do next. So next, go to Explorer, pull up Pancake Swap, connect your wallet, which is up in the upper right hand corner. Make sure where it says slippage tolerance, you have it at 12%, because if you don't have it at 12%, it will not work. We're going to put in, let's put in 0.240. Select currency, which is Pornrocket. And from there, what you need to do is hit swap, confirm, and wait on your transaction to go through. All right, confirm swap, transaction submitted. So we can close this. and go back over to trusts and view on blocker. Everything looks successful. Yep, everything went through. So we'll hit done, go back. As you can see, now I only have $3.22 of BNB left. And yeah, it's looking good. That's it. So if you found any value in this tutorial, hit the like and subscribe to my channel, and I'm out.